Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today's video it's a little different. A little while ago, I asked you guys on my Instagram polls if you wanted to see a video with my mom or dad first. You guys voted for my mom. So this week, I only wore her clothes. I would have done like skirts and pants and stuff, but she doesn't really have skirts. Her pants like would not stay up on me. So I just opted for just wearing like her shirts and stuff and tried to style outfits around it best I could. If you guys want to see what I came up with, just keep watching and I'll show you the outfits I wore for this school week. Hello. Okay, so I'm kind of late to school and I literally forgot that I was doing this video and I haven't asked my mom yet, but I'm in her room and this is her closet. So today, oh, that's kind of cute. Today, I don't really fit her pants. Maybe one day I'll be able to wear one of her skirts or something, or a dress, but as for today, since I literally have like 5 minutes to get ready, I'm just gonna go with a shirt, but I'm gonna try to look a little bit cute. She basically just owns 10,000 t-shirts and they all look the same. Could wear any of these and get away with it. No, maybe we should go with something a little cuter. Like, this is a little cute. She literally has the same thing. What the heck? Why? I might just end up wearing a different t-shirt every day this week. That's fun. I think that today, I think I'm just gonna go with one of these. That's literally the most simple thing ever. Should I wear her accessories too? You know, no offense, mom. Guys, I could wear a choker. I'm not really feeling that. I'm not really feeling any of these. You know what? We'll go into this slowly. So I'll just start off with this. Okay, I'll see you when I put this on. Okay, don't judge me on this super basic outfit for Monday because I am in a rush, okay? Like, I need to get to school. I like this outfit. It's just like really simple. So yeah, please don't hate me. Here is the outfit for Monday. The only piece that's my mom's is the shirt. No, it's super basic. I'm also balding here. That's cute. Very simple. But you know, it's fine. We're starting off this week easy and we can just work up from it, okay? So this shirt is from my mom's. It's a large, but it's fine because it's supposed to be tight fitting, but it just looks like a baggy shirt on me. It's just like a waffle knit. I'm pretty sure it's from like Walmart or something. I'm just wearing this plain Tiffany necklace with it, and then these jeans that are distressed from Boohoo. I rolled them like I roll everything, and then I'm wearing this black belt from Target, and then my Air Force One. So it's a very basic outfit for Monday, but you know, we're chilling. All I'm doing today is school, studying for the SAT. It's gonna be a great day. Mondays are my study days. Productive, not very interesting though. I'll see you later. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and I'm going to pick out my outfit right now in my Madre's closet. All right, guys, so let's see, maybe we should go for something a little bit fancier today or something. I'm not really sure. Maybe like this is kind of a cute print. I think I can make that work. What else does she have? Of course, she goes to the hoodies. I wish she had more hoodies. That's really not a lot for me to work with. She also has a lot of these like muscle tee things. Yeah, I'm not really into that. Seahawks. Okay, I see you. Sports fan. Jesus, yeah. Ooh, when did she get big? That's kind of cute. Kind of cute too. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna try to be a little fancier. Let's go for it. Oh gosh, ignore that. So, move over, Billy. So, we have this so far. I'm thinking jeans again. Jeans 2 days in a row, honestly, Melanie. Good job, I'm proud of you. These, all right, let's see how that looks. Okay, so obviously this isn't really it. I think we can make this work. Do a little impromptu DIY. There's this thing where you like, okay, I'm not gonna flash you, but where you like tuck the bottom of your shirt like underneath your bra, so it's like a crop top without actually cropping it, if you see that. So after I did that, this is what it looks like. A little bit revealing, but you know, can't have everything. I wish these jeans were a little higher. Okay, like that. I'm not about this high-low, so I'm gonna tuck the back in. Actually, I kind of like that a lot. Now I'm just going to accessorize. I'm kind of feeling this, not gonna lie. Okay, here's outfit for Tuesday. This is what we got going on here. This is honestly way cuter than something I would probably wear. So this is the top from my mom's closet. It has this very cute dainty print. This is definitely something I'd be intrigued by. Like if I saw this at a thrift store, I'd probably buy it. I think it actually goes really well with this pearl choker-ish necklace. It's like a double layered kind of choker. Probably should have changed these into pearls, but I'm kind of running late, so I'm just gonna keep these on. I also have a bunch of rings stacked on. As you can see, they're from a bunch of different places. We're just not gonna talk about that. I have these jeans, which are my PacSun mom jeans, and then my shoes are just these platform little wedges that I got from Boohoo, and I actually really like them because they give me a lot of height, but they're also very comfortable, and I think that the white and then the white here and then the white pearls ties in super well. So that's my outfit for Tuesday. Okay, don't hate me. I know it's already Tuesday, but I'm definitely planning on showing my mom some of these outfits, although I don't think she's even noticed I've been wearing these walking around the house and stuff, and she hasn't really said anything. Maybe she just doesn't know what's in her closet. I'm gonna like ask her if she likes my outfit tomorrow and see if she notices. Maybe I should choose a more like obvious top. Okay, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I'm going to pick out my outfit. My mom should still be home. So today I'm gonna go experiment a little, like walk around and be like,
hey mom, like my outfit today.
And I'm gonna see if she's gonna notice. So that being said, let's go pick out the outfit. We are back here for day 3. I kind of want to wear this. I think it's really funny. Maybe I should just go with it. Is that one too obvious, or should I wear like this pink top? That's also kind of cute. I kind of like the pink one. Maybe a jacket. Blazer, wow. I think today I'm gonna go with this pink one, and then I'll probably wear that one tomorrow. It's really cute. Okay, let's go put an outfit together. So we just got this. I know it's very plain. I think I'm gonna style it. Let's see. Go with a skirt. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Okay, I think it's not that cold out today, so I'm gonna go with a skirt. These. There we go, y'all. So here's what the outfit looks like. Obviously, I'm not gonna wear it like this, so I'm just gonna do a little sprucing to make it look a little bit better. I'm just gonna do a little knot. I'm just gonna go like this, like that. My mom's gonna be like,
why is there wrinkles in my shirt?
Scrunchie on. And then I feel like I should wear a little necklace or something. Here is the finished outfit. I'm actually quite happy with how this turned out. I think it's pretty cute. So this skirt is from, I think it's from the shop called Little Hazel. Top, my mom's closet. Scrunchie, I made. Necklace, this little pearl one is from Forever 21. And then shoes are just some high top Converse. My homework is on the floor. So this is what the outfit looks like. I'm gonna go behind the scenes and we're gonna see what my mom thinks of this outfit. Hi.
Amy.
Russell! Hi, Russell! You're so cute.
Cute outfit.
Oh, thank you. What do you think about it? What would you rate it? Like, do you think the shirt matches with the skirt, or is like the tie weird?
Maybe put the tie to the side.
To the side?
Yeah.
Do you think they match?
What? Oh yeah, like the colors.
Does it fit all right?
The color's cute. Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe put the tie to the side.
Yeah, I can do that.
Give it like an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Does it look better there?
Yeah. Maybe do your hair.
Hey! I have bedhead. I thought it looked fine.
Your hair?
Yeah.
Okay. I just like ponytails.
Why? Every time I put my hair up, you say not to.
No, no, that's more like bun or something like
I
that.
don't like buns.
I like ponytails. It's
Smile.
cute. Oh, I look, no, I'm horrible. Okay, I gotta go now.
Why are you shrinking?
I'll tell you why.
Mom, this is your shirt.
That's my shirt?
Yes.
Did you cut it?
No! I wouldn't do that.
Gosh.
I'm wearing your clothes this week.
Oh,
I'm styling it.
Oh, okay, thanks. I was wondering.
Thanks.
I was like, I've never seen that shirt. I was like, it's a cute color. It's mine. I didn't notice it was my shirt. As long as you don't cut my clothes.
I'm not. I wouldn't do that.
Without your permission.
Okay. Bye.
Hey guys, it is Thursday and I'm excited for today because I already know the outfit I want to pick out. I'm gonna wear that freaking shark crew neck and I'm really excited about it. My throat hurts. So yeah, I want to wear a hoodie. And then I'm just gonna go to work today. So I just want to be like cozy. We got it right here. Looking at this just makes me want to scream like baby shark. Do 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 do. I swear. Someone's gonna say that to me today. Should I be lazy and wear leggings? Maybe I'll try a little bit and I'll wear some jeans. These ones. Jeans. Oh, sad. It's one of those days. I would really wear Birks with this, but I can't wear open-toed shoes to my work. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna wear Vans. Guys, I actually love this. I think I'm gonna take this crew neck from my mom. I think it's so cute. It's just big on oversized like this. Let's try to make myself look a little bit better. I'm sick and it's showing. So I'm gonna roll these sleeves because they kinda kind of big. And I also just have this scrunchie. She can't really see. Maybe I should take that off. I'll just leave it for now. And then I'll throw on a necklace. What necklace should I wear? So this is the finished outfit for Thursday. So we just got the main star of the show. This crew neck is from my mom. I have no clue where she got this. My Tiffany necklace, a black scrunchie. These jeans are from Aeropostale. And then my shoes are just some slip-on white Vans. And that's the outfit for Thursday. Let's go see what my mom thinks. Mommy, I want you to rate my outfit. Hello.
I'm like, hey, I got a shirt just like that.
Oh my gosh. You never wear this? I've never seen this before.
From Hawaii.
This is from Hawaii?
Yes, I love it.
Oh,
That's
you love it? You never wear it.
I know, I just love it so much. I don't want to ruin it. It's okay, I'm glad you're using it.
I like it. It's so cute.
Well, I'm glad you're using it. Well, you stain everything, but I just never
Hey!
I never wear it so it doesn't get stained.
Okay. What would you rate my fit?
This is really good. I actually like this better than yesterday, even though I gave
Really?
yesterday 8. Yeah, this is
I like it too.
this
Because
one like a 9. Yeah.
Wow, thanks.
Yeah, I like it.
I think I would give it a 9 also.
Yeah, cute.
Good morning, guys. Not really good morning because my neighbors ate me today. I mean, tomorrow. All right, I can't see. Today I am honestly so tempted to wear another sweatshirt, and this one's kind of cute, but I feel kind of bad. Maybe I should wear something a little fancier. That could be kind of cute. What else do we got? Tie-dye. Not feeling the tie-dye today. Ooh, maybe a long sleeve. Oh, I know. Let's go for a dress. Like this. Look, she has Brandy Melville. She's a trendy woman. I'm gonna have to go with that then. My one dress for the week. Yes, I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday. It's so comfy. It's just a plain black t-shirt dress thingy. Wait, I'm silly. I don't need pants. So here's what we got. It kind of just looks like going to a funeral. I'm in pajamas. I don't know. Right now, I'm thinking this. Boots. Yo, I'm gonna go with sneakers actually. I'm a mess right now. Gosh dang it, Melanie. Oh, I should have put makeup on first.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna layer a ton of necklaces. A little bit edgy. I kind of like it. The whole dress is from my mom. It's from Brandy Melville. It's basically something I would wear anyways. This edgy belt is also from Brandy Melville. And then for my necklaces, this one and this one are from my girl Alexis Rice, Honey by Lux. This one is from Brandy Melville. And then my shoes are Air Force Ones. And then I also have this jacket I might throw on top if I get a little chilly. But that's pretty much it for the fit.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, can I see it again? Oh, it's a whole thing. It's like,
yeah.
I thought it was a separate skirt. Oh, wow. Okay, it looks really cute on you.
Yeah.
Well, it's very cute.
Do I look like an emo girl? Do I look edgy?
What's an emo girl? What's that?
Emo.
What's emo?
I don't know, like a sad girl. RXD.
No, what's that? That's like a 10.
Really?
Yeah, I really
wow, I'm surprised. I thought this would be too edgy for you.
No, I'm not edgy. I'm not edgy.
Alright guys, so that was the video, and that was my 5 days of school where I wore my mom's clothes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know which outfit that you like the most. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know like what other fashion styling videos you would want to see, and also what other videos you would want to see with my mom or my family or friends or anything like that. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.